Welcome to our deep dive into Warren Buffett's investing hacks. Today, we'll uncover the secrets that have made him one of the wealthiest and most successful investors of all time. So, sit back and get ready to learn from the Oracle of Omaha himself. Starting to invest can feel overwhelming, and many beginners make the same mistakes that cost them big time. What if I told you there's a smarter way to approach it? Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors in history, with a net worth that's hard to even comprehend. He's often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, and his investment strategies have been studied and emulated by millions. But what makes him so good at investing? The answer lies in his timeless investing hacks that have helped him build his fortune. These hacks aren't just for seasoned investors, they're perfect for beginners too. By learning from Buffett's experiences and insights, you can avoid common pitfalls and set yourself up for long-term financial success. So, what are these powerful investing hacks that Buffett swears by? Let's dive into the key principles of Warren Buffett's investing strategy. These principles have guided him to become one of the most successful investors of all time. Buffett's success can be attributed to his long-term thinking. He doesn't just look at short-term gains, he thinks about the future and how a company will perform in the years to come. This approach helps him make informed decisions that often go against the crowd. Understanding businesses is another key principle. He only invests in companies he thoroughly understands. Financial literacy is also crucial. Buffett stresses the importance of being able to read financial statements and understand a company's financial health. This knowledge helps investors make better decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Many beginners overlook this aspect, but it's a game changer. Buffett's investment philosophy is built around patience and discipline. He waits for the right opportunities to strike, and he's not afraid to hold cash when the market is unpredictable. This approach might seem simple, but it's incredibly effective. The power of compounding is another concept Buffett often talks about. He believes that time is on your side when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow. This idea is simple yet powerful. Value investing is at the core of Buffett's strategy. He looks for companies that are undervalued but have strong fundamentals. This approach helps him buy low and sell high, which is a key part of his investment playbook. Now, applying Buffett's principles is not just about following his steps blindly. It's about understanding the rationale behind his decisions and adapting them to your own investment style. Remember, patience and discipline are crucial. And, well, that brings us to the conclusion of our exploration into Warren Buffett's investing hacks. We hope you found these insights valuable and perhaps even a bit inspiring. When applying Buffett's principles, it's essential to do your own research. Don't just follow the crowd. Make informed decisions based on your own analysis. This approach might take more time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. Buffett's investing hacks have been tried and tested. By following his principles, beginners can set themselves up for success. It's not about being a genius, it's about being smart and patient. Let's summarize the key points. Buffett's approach to investing is centered around long-term thinking, understanding businesses, and financial literacy. His value investing strategy has proven to be incredibly effective. These principles aren't just theoretical, they can be applied in real-life investing scenarios. For example, if you're considering investing in tech stocks, make sure you understand the business model and the company's financial health. Buffett's hacks have helped countless investors achieve their financial goals. They can help you too. By adopting his strategies, you can avoid common mistakes and build wealth over time. Buffett's success story is a testament to the power of his investing hacks. By following his lead, you can create a brighter financial future. His approach to investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn, but the rewards are well worth it. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's investing hacks offer a smarter way to approach the stock market. By embracing his principles, beginners can set themselves up for long-term success. If you're excited about applying these hacks, share your thoughts on Buffett's strategies in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on investing.